Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Jumping right in, y'all, look at how flaky my scalp is. My scalp has been so dry lately, so I like to do hot oil treatments to help nourish my hair and scalp. So I'll be sharing how I do that with you in this video. So it's wash day. I'm going to take my hair down from my usual bun, you guys already know, and I'm going to go ahead and lightly detangle with a wide tooth comb to remove any shedded hairs and begin to section my hair into 4. Now on this particular wash day, I did this hot oil treatment as my pre-poo. However, a hot oil treatment can pretty much be incorporated at any point in your routine. Some people like me like to do it before shampoo, while some people do it after shampoo, and some even do it after deep conditioning. So do whatever tickles your fancy. For this treatment, I'm going to be using 2 oils. The first one is this S Secrets Hair Growth Oil from a fellow YouTuber, Selena Zinkchuk. If you're not familiar with her or her channel, go ahead and check her out right now, especially if you need hair growth tips or DIYs. She has really helpful content, and she also has her own business where she sells all natural oils and butters. So she actually sent me over a few of her best-selling products a few months back to try out, which was very sweet of her. So thank you, Selena. So this oil mix I like to apply all over my scalp. It is a combination of avocado oil, grapeseed, olive oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, neem oil, rosemary oils, among others. And it has black rice powder, black cumin seed powder, brahmi, amla, and henna powder, and other well-known scalp nourishing and stimulating nutrients. So it is packed with all the good stuff. For the length of my hair, I'm using this macadamia nut oil that she also sent over. Macadamia oil is a super popular oil in many hair masks and treatments because it is known to have really good penetrative properties. The fatty acid content also helps to nourish the hair strands, aids in strengthening it, and it adds tons of shine. So I'm just saturating my strands with this oil, making sure I get it on every strand, everywhere, no strand left behind. And I'm just gonna twist up this section and put it out of the way, and then just move on to do the same exact thing in my entire head. Okay, so I forgot to do this for the very first section, but I also like to lightly spritz my hair with some warm water to help the cuticles to raise, and so that my hair strands can absorb most of this goodness that I'm applying onto it. So you can go ahead and do that too. But while you guys are watching me apply the oils to my hair and scalp, I'm just going to go over some of my favorite benefits of doing hot oil treatments. So it helps to nourish the scalp and strands, which in turn helps to alleviate dry scalp and dry brittle ends, which then helps with hair loss and breakage. It also helps with moisture retention. So if you're having trouble keeping moisture into your hair or scalp, you can go ahead and try a hot oil treatment and then see how your hair retains moisture afterwards. It helps a whole lot with that. Also helps to control or minimize frizz. It adds tons of shine to your strands, and my favorite benefit is that it increases blood circulation to the scalp, especially when coupled with scalp massages. So those are just some of my favorite benefits of doing hot oil treatments on my hair and scalp. Okay, so I've applied my oils to my hair and scalp and finished off each section with just a quick scalp massage. So now you must be wondering, where is the hot part of this hot oil treatment? Like, where does it come in? So boom, here it is. Not kidding, that's just plastic wrap. So you're gonna need some plastic wrap, or plastic cap will work too. I've gone ahead and pinned my sections around my head with some hair clips, making sure that the part the part where you squeeze is on the outside so that you can easily slip it out when you're done. And I'm going to wrap my hair tightly with the plastic wrap, making sure that all of my hair is completely covered. And then I still put on a plastic cap on top of that because I'm extra, but it's not necessary. Anyway, I'm going to be using my blow dryer and my soft bonnet hooded dryer for this. So if you don't have one of these, you need to get one. It comes in so handy for adding heat to hot oil treatments, for drying a style, for roller sets. It's so handy and so simple to use. As you can see in the video, I just slid my blow dryer into the hose attachment. I secured it with the Velcro closure, and I put it in my head and adjusted the chin straps and the adjustable straps around my head, and that's it. I turn on my blow dryer and I let it do its thing. There are so many different ways to do a hot oil treatment. The most popular way is to place your oil bottle in hot water and allow it to heat the oil up. But I prefer it this way because I know I won't compromise the quality of the oil in the bottle that I may not have used by constantly reheating it. You know what I mean? So I prefer it this way. So for this hot oil treatment, I used a low heat setting because high gets pretty hot, so you want to keep it on low. And I also go ahead and I set my timer for 15 minutes, which I'll show you guys in just a second. And I just let the heat do its thing. After I'm done, I proceed to do just my regular wash day routine, which I hope to share an updated one probably soon with you guys. Let me know if you're interested in that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know when was the last time you did a hot oil treatment. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Take care, everyone.